Hi friends, in this video I would be showing three methods to delete auto record calls. Method 1. Open this Samsung phone app, tap on this icon, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, tap here, tap on record calls, tap on record calls, tap here. Here you can see all auto record calls. Next I will show you how we can delete. Just tap and hold on the call that we need to delete. Then tap on delete. Done. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to My Files app. Tap on this My Files app icon. Tap on Audio Files. Here you can see all auto recorded calls. From here you can select the call that you need to delete. Tap and hold. Then tap on delete. This is a method 2. Method 3. Again open this My Files app. Tap on this icon. Tap on internal storage. Tap on recordings. Tap on call. Here you can see all auto record calls. From here let me select one call. Let me select this call. Then tap on delete. This is a method 3. These are 3 methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.